Hey guys, Chef Angela here, and I'm going to show you how I char grill my octopus. Now I've got my octopus here. This octopus has been pre-cooked for 35 minutes in our Asian master stock. If you'd like to learn how we made that, you can see that in my previous video. Now, what I need to do is I need to get this on the grill as soon as possible. It has been sitting here, it's been draining, and it is quite cool. So I'm just going to cut off the legs, which is quite easy. I might just grill 4 pieces just to show you. But if you're going to do the whole lot, you can place it all on top quite easily. Just place that on the hibachi grill. This grill is so fantastic. It has got the Japanese bichitan charcoal underneath, which gives it so much flavor. And the great thing about this hibachi grill is that there's no smoke because of the actual charcoal. In the meantime, while that is actually cooking, we're going to make a beautiful little salad and a pickle with all of these different ingredients. So we've got our lovely coriander, we've got some toasted sesame seeds, we have our chili oil, chopped scallions, I've got some lovely soy sauce, I've got some chopped chili and chopped red onion, and I've got some ribbons of cucumber and some picked dill. So to make my cucumber pickle, I will add that to my bowl. I'll add some beautiful sprigs of dill. I'll add my chili and my red onion. I'll add my soy sauce. And the key ingredient here is my mirin. Mirin is a sweet cooking wine, and that will also pickle the vegetables, which will give it a really nice crunch and beautiful flavour to go along with my octopus. So we can just let that sit for a couple of minutes. Let's have a look at our octopus. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, slippery suckers. And you can really see that starting to char grill there. So you can see the colour changing on the front of the octopus there. So beautiful. If only you could smell that. It's so good. And keep that going, and I'll grab my plate. Grab your cucumber salad now that it's been sitting there for a couple of minutes. Place that on the side of your plate. Put this on the side. Grab your coriander and place that nicely on the plate. Ready for your octopus. Now this is amazing. Have a look at that. So you'll know when it's done when the outside becomes lovely and crispy, like this caramelized on the outside. After the 35 minutes after you have actually cooked your octopus, you know that it is actually cooked through. So it's more imparting the flavors of the grill. If you didn't have a hibachi grill, you could put it on your barbecue. You could also grab your blowtorch and give it a little bit of a flame. This octopus is just absolutely beautiful. At Fresh Food Friday, we pickle it in a pickling liquid as well. So that's almost done. And then we're going to pop that onto our plate. Also got my chili oil. If you'd like to learn how to make that, you can see that also on our video channel. So amazing. Add some chopped scallions as well, and a little bit of sesame seeds, just to finish off that crunch. And there you have it, my char grilled octopus.